Hi there, and what we're doing today is we're making some vegetable stock. Super easy, mega cheap, and also full of flavour. All we need is the offcuts from some vegetables. Here I've got some celery and carrot. Now you can store all these offcuts in a reusable bag or box in your freezer until you're ready to use them. Now in mine I've got some cabbage offcuts, some onion skin for colour, and there's a nice bit of pepper in there as well. When your bag's full, chuck it in a big pot, add some salt, a few peppercorns or some ground pepper, and some water. Now not all the offcuts make it into the stock. For spring onions I sometimes just cut the bottom off and plant them in soil. Now bring your stock to the boil, then simmer it for 30 minutes to an hour. Lovely stuff. Now once your stock's been simmering for a while, you can strain it with a sieve into a bowl. Now my stock had a lot of beetroot and some chilies in it, so it was a bit of a funky colour, but that's okay. Now once your stock's cooled down a bit, you can pour it into a freezer tray to make wee ice blocks, which are convenient to add flavour to meals. Now once you're finished pouring out your stock, just freeze it overnight. After that, you can just chuck it in a recycled bag or container and store it separately in the fridge. I'm really having a bit of bother with this knot here, but there we go, done. Otherwise, you could just chuck it in a jam jar and have it in the fridge ready to use.